Hey, this is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet. I'm standing in front of our certified service department, and we have got some huge specials going on this month in our service department because September is Car Care Month. So if you need some service on your car, we can help you here at Melloy Chevrolet. We've got service specials going on. You can check out our coupons either on the website or on Facebook. You can even schedule your service on Facebook. So we have got it going on here at Melloy Chevrolet. Let's take a look at some of our service specialists. Okay, so when you first drive into our service department, you're going to drive right up to the door. If the door is closed, don't worry, just keep driving. Well, don't drive through the door, but drive right up to this spot right here, and the door will open. Once that door is open, just pull on into the service drive. You're going to see one of our friendly service advisors right here. Say hi. What's up? So you're going to check in here. You pull right up to them. They're going to check you in and get you in and out, because that's what we do here at Melloy Chevrolet Service. You just pull right up here, stop. They're going to check you in, and boom, 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 they are ready for you. So if you need service done on your vehicle, especially if you need some certified GM guaranteed service, this is the place to be. We have got it going on here at Melloy Chevrolet. So check out our coupons online. You can get discounts on services. You can even schedule on Facebook. You can go to our website and schedule your service. So come on, what are you waiting for, New Mexico? September is Car Care Month, which means it's time to get your car ready for fall and winter. Let's go. So after our advisor finishes checking you in, then you can come hang out in our waiting area. We've got our cleaning crew here all the time cleaning. You can hang out in our lounge type chairs that are spaced out. We've got refreshments right here. You can get some coffee, get a Coke, get a little snack. We've got complimentary water bottles that even say Melloy Chevrolet on them. Pretty fancy, huh? So when you are here getting your vehicle serviced, you can hang out. You can also check out our accessories while you're waiting on your vehicle to get serviced. You can jump right into our parts and accessories department. Our friendly and helpful associates will take care of you there as well. And then once they're all done, you're going to come over and see our friendly cashier. She's on the phone right now, but look, she's all masked up on the phone. That's Cecile. But we will be here to take care of you. Just remember, this is Car Care Month. So if you need vehicle service, check out our coupons online, and we'll take care of you.